All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, Andre is talking about the CFPB and that he could have charge-offs removed. One, being a former client, let me tell you this. It doesn't work. He doesn't actually do any of it. He makes fake emails, and then on top of that, he'll submit the complaints and then have you call. I will provide proof. Let's get started.
Let's talk about the truth of credit repair, the grueling reality of credit repair.
The word truth, along with Andre and Pinnacle Credit Repair, are not synonymous. Couldn't be farther apart. Just saying. We'll continue.
Most companies take shortcuts, leaving clients disillusioned and wondering if the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau needs to step in. And when those that have filed complaints with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, they just end up complaining about the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau not doing their job. But it turns out, doing further research, I found exactly what's going on.
Translation. Because Andre files it on your behalf, making a fake email, etc., they're able to tell very easily. The CFPB is smart, and therefore, that's why it doesn't work. It can be effective, but it doesn't work when Andre does it because he does it like a scammer, is the point. That's the translation.
And in this video, I'm going to discuss all of that. So stay tuned because we're going to dissect the bureaus, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. We're going to look over tens of thousands of consumer complaints, and we're going to show you exactly what the data shows.
I will save you the time. No, he's not going to talk about any of that. He's going to waste your time for 30 minutes. No one has time to go over tens of thousands of consumer complaints or listen to him talk so he could hear his own voice for 30 minutes. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you proof, which Andre won't do, but I will show you proof from my experience in text messages with him. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Andre sends out standardized audio messages that he likely copy and paste to all of his clients because I'd ask him if it was for Scott or not because he said it in the audio message before this little clip. And then he sent me an email that I've never had in my life. And you'll see in the next section he admits to creating it. If you go to kplover.com, you'll see it's a spam email service. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, him admitting to creating the email, being a straw man account. Last I checked, and I'm definitely not the smartest person in the world, that is fraud. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good day.